My name is Arundev Upadhyay. I've come from Nagpur. I had this problem with my L4, L5 spine, and after I got my MRI done in Nagpur, the first thing we did is we rang up and spoke to Mrs. Shobana Kamineni, to Mr. Vijay Reddy, Mrs. Preeta Reddy, and we spoke to them and asked them that I'm sending my MRIs across and will you please let us know what we should do. Instantly the reply was that we've discussed this matter and you need to come to Chennai. Dr. Sajan Hegde, who's a very, very famous, a very renowned, a very skilled surgeon, will look after you and he will operate on you. So there was no question in our mind at all, and we flew down from Nagpur. We came here, got admitted on the 11th in the hospital. I had my tests done on the 11th. 12th morning, I was taken into surgery at I think about 8:30, 9 o'clock, and I went into surgery at 10 o'clock and the operation started. Dr. Hegde, of course, prior to that, on the 11th when I met him, had been extremely reassuring and he was very kind. He explained the whole procedure to us. He showed us how the robot operates on his laptop, on a computer. He explained the process to us. He told us what he was going to do. He used my MRIs and he explained to us what was the thing that was going wrong and why was I having this trouble. My right leg would go numb. There would be extreme pain. I was finding it very difficult to walk. I was stooping. And the same thing, this pain and numbness had started in my left leg also. So when I went into surgery and I came out of surgery, I was in the recovery room, and whenever I woke up, at that point of time, Dr. Hegde was there. He said, okay, let's see you walk. I was a little surprised. I said, I have just come out of, anesthesia. And I wasn't sure about the time. So I thought perhaps a lot of time has passed. It had not. It was just a couple of hours. And I walked up and down the room. I was very surprised myself. There was no pain, absolutely no pain at all. And I then, of course, came back to the room. So what has left me absolutely astounded is the sheer professionalism that Dr. Sajan Hegde and his team have, the amount of dedication that they have to this craft. I will not call it just that they are doctors, but they are craftsmen. They are absolute craftsmen who know what the body needs, how it is needed, what is required. And his gentleness, his approach, his friendliness, he makes you feel like he's a friend who is talking to you. You do not feel scared in his hands. His team, his anesthesiologist, the other doctors that were assisting him, the nurses that were assisting him, the attendants who were with him have been a wonderful, wonderful team, absolutely. I am hypertensive. I have high cholesterol also, but that was very well managed. There was absolutely no difficulty at all. And needless to say, Apollo Hospital is outstanding. It is an outstanding hospital. This is something that Dr. Pratap Reddy has built with his 4 daughters. And we are proud that we are privileged, we are proud, we are privileged, we are very, very happy that we have known this family, we have seen this family over the years, over the decades, I would say. And their sheer dedication, their love for the hospitals, for the patients, for the kind of care that they give is unbelievable. The team that they have built up, the doctors, the nursing staff, everybody that works in Apollo Hospital has been working here for decades. Somebody's been working here for 30 years, somebody for 25 years. This is rare. It is truly a rare quality. And Dr. Sajan Hegde himself is one of those people who has been working here for decades. I've had the privilege of meeting him, I think about 20 years ago. Dr. Hegde, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. You have been a wonderful, wonderful support. You have been a wonderful doctor. You have given me new life. I have been walking. You kept insisting that I should walk, so I have been walking up and down. Not very much, of course. My pain is gone. I do not have pain where I used to have pain. Yes, there is a little pain where the surgical procedure took place, but that is obvious because it was on the bone, and naturally that that is bound to be there for a few days. But that the other problems that I had, my wife and my daughter tell me that my stoop has gone. I was bending over. That stoop has gone now. I'm standing up straight and back to a new life completely. I'm now 72 years of age, but I think of myself as perhaps 42 or maybe 52 years of age, and I intend to have a great time in life. Thank you, Dr. Pratap Reddy. Thank you, Preeta. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, Shobhu, Anil, Suni, all of you. You've done such a wonderful job. And thank you, all the staff here, Dr. Hegade's team, the people who've been supporting me, the people who've been helping you. Thank you very much. Goodbye.